Howdy folks, we are back with the 1200 psi high volume air inflator from Harbor Freight. This came off of the returns rack at my Harbor Freight. This thing, as you can see, that's what I paid for it. So this has been taped shut. I actually don't think that the ones that are out on the floor are taped. So we're gonna see, did all the parts come with it, and we're gonna test it with the jumper pack and a small wagon tire to see if it'll actually work. So let's open this thing up. So oh, nice. It comes in its own bag. So, and of course, folks, made in China. You know, it's sad, I'm sad to say this, but unless you're paying well over $150 for one of these, it's probably made in China. And then there's even those ones there that are made in China. They're just living off of a name. In the box, the instructions did come with notice of prevent a blown fuse, turn on unit before connecting hose. Okay. Well, so, and it's got buckles and a zippered pouch. Alright. Lock on connector. This unit's pretty hefty. And is this plastic or is this aluminum? That would be aluminum. The pump is actually aluminum, not a plastic. But you still do have your plastic body here and here. Plastic handle. I believe that's actually just your air output. And your air gauge that's in 20 psi increments, going from 0 to 100. So let's set the bag off to the side, and we're gonna bring the jumper pack over. We got almost a full charge. That it's okay on the noise level, and it does pump. So let's get the tire over here. Now, if you do see green stuff coming out of it, yes, I did put tire sealant in this. So and this is a threaded thread-on connector, not just a, this is not a clamp-on connector. In certain situations that can be bad. If the threads on your valve stem, if they're gnarled up, I can see where that's not going to work, but I get it 9 times out of 10 it's going to work. So we'll do it the way that they say. We'll turn on the pump. Now this is in real time, folks. We're going to get it to 30 psi, which should be approximately 2 bar on this gauge. Okay. And this is nice and firm. Yep. Now, you can disconnect the hose from this before detaching it from the tire, which is nice in my opinion. So, valve stem cap on, and we can set the tire off to the side. Yeah, that's nice, that's firm. Okay, we're going to set that off to the side. Okay, for a small inflator pump, I really do think that it did get a little warm. I do think that this is actually a very nice pump for what it is. It does come with an accessory kit. I do like this because I don't do it myself so much anymore, but I used to have soccer balls that always needed to be inflated, and I didn't always want to fire up my big compressor just to fill one soccer ball. So, having the ability to use this instead of a bigger compressor, you know, for me, that is a draw for me to this compressor. Plus, it's a bigger compressor than the $10 units that they sell over at Harbor Freight, which they say right on the package, don't use them for inflating car tires, but come on, we all know that we're going to do it. The thing is that this one you can run with car tires. I do believe that they say you can run with car tires in the instructions here, so realistically, you know, this, if you're not looking at that bigger pump, the $70 pump that they sell, maybe this is the way to go. Just a thought, but I think I think I've blithered on enough into you. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll see if I can't answer them as best I can. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.